If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I was just thinking back about trying to get healthier and get on track. I just wanted to share with you that if you're someone, no matter whatever age you are, you want to get healthier, get on track with eating, exercise, both, lose some weight, whatever the case may be, I want to tell you, you can do it. Firsthand, I am someone that just a few years ago weighed more than 50 pounds more than I do right now, without even exaggerating. It has taken some time, some dedication, some focus, but if you are trying to lose some weight, you're trying to get some muscle mass, you're trying to get more healthy, you're trying to eat better, whatever it is, you can do it. A few quick, simple tips to help you get on track. Find a reason why. Maybe you want to live longer, maybe you just want to feel better. Maybe you want to be able to be more active and not feel tired or sore or whatever the case may be. Find a reason why. 2, set some goals. Short-term goals, long-term goals. When you set those short-term goals, you can find some quick wins, feel excited about it, build some momentum, and build some positive habits. That's going to help you get up and want to do something. It just becomes part of what you do. Figure out your why, set some goals, and build some habits. Find something that you like to do. And if right now you're not doing a lot of stuff, just start with walking. Set some small goals, build some success. You can do it. Being 50 pounds heavier, I didn't realize, okay, I could feel better. I didn't really classify myself as someone that was super unhealthy or was super out of shape. But now looking back, I'm like, yeah, I definitely was not the most healthy and I was not really in shape, but I didn't really think I wasn't. But now I feel so much better, have a lot more energy, a lot more mental clarity. I'm also trying to improve sleep. But if you are someone that's trying to get healthy, you can do it. Just do those few simple tips. If you have any questions, comments, leave those below. Share your story, share some insights. You can do it. It's something that's totally worth it. You just have to find your reason why and jump in. Make sure to like and subscribe, stay up to date with content. Check out some of my other videos. If there's other stuff you want to see, leave that below. Here's to Life and Fitness.